Now I've made the two top quarters, I'm going to join them together. So if you fold them together, we've already got our 1/4 inch line to join them on. They're all trimmed up, so they should be exactly the same size. So all I need to do is pin them together. So the only critical point is this point here, where we want our seams to meet. So I'm going to stick a pin through that point and coming through at the other side in the same position. Just where this line crosses the outside line. That way I know everything's lined up right. And then pin the two together. Now I'm going to sew all the way down this outside solid line. And I'm going to start on a scrap of fabric because I need to get onto this. Feed this through like that. And go right through to the end. And there you go. So this paper will come off eventually when we've joined both together. So I'm going to press this seam open. And to make it easier when we go through this part, let's take the paper off the seam allowance. Like that. So when you're joining the two halves together, you do exactly the same thing. Line up this point and this point, and then stitch all the way through along this line. So that's my main block made. All I need to do now is to applique the oval on top. So I've folded the oval in half in both directions, and that will find me the centre so that I can locate it on the block properly. Then finally, just going to stitch around the oval with the matching thread, and that's the compass block done.